Are you kidding me? A Jordan PE breaking?
Huh?
What ages are we living in here? Even though I didn't bring you the review of this shoe, guys, it's still on that stock and it's still a gem for the ages. What's going on, YouTube fam? I hope you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things in life and staying away from the drama. Remember that one? Always, guys. I'm rocking the glasses today, guys, for the simple fact that, let's just say, the lights get annoying sometimes. And man, there's a lot of lights constantly, and they just bother. I don't like it. I don't like them very much. So if you see me with the glasses on more frequently, don't worry about it. This is all good and gravy. It's not that I'm turning blind, that I know of. But the sneaker that I'm going to be talking about today, guys, yes, is this Jordan 1 PE. That is an actual PE for Howard University, dropped in 2024, and it totally bricked. Quality, it is out of control. We're going to get into it immediately, guys. You already know how I start this. The materials and the toe box. As you guys can see right there, I'm pushing down on that toe box. Nice buttery leather. Very nice, guys. Very supple. Can't complain about the quality on it. And the blue is a nice tumbled leather also. Very good quality. That if I had to differentiate, I say that the blue is a little bit more of a softer leather than the white. As you see right there, on the little dot swoosh in red. I love the detail right there. It's just incredible, guys. Sorry for pausing, a Jordan 1 low with a dot swoosh PE and it's still bricked. Man, this just hurts me doing this, dude, honestly. But going from that beautiful dot swoosh and that toe box to the upper of the shoe, the tongue is in mesh and the tab in the top says Nike Air in red. The insole of the shoe is all dark blue or navy blue, if you guys want to call it, with Nike Air the swoosh in red. Now going to the side of the shoe, you see the navy blue paneling with that tumbled leather. Very nice, very good quality. And the swoosh is in that same exact leather. Tumbled dark blue leather or navy blue, whichever one, guys. Don't want to get offended over here. You see in the back of the swoosh the white leather that is still very good quality. And heading to the back of the sneaker, you see the paneling in red with very good stitching. The part that I love the most about this right here and the whole sneaker is the Air Jordan logo in the back. It is actually sewn on, just like the Travis Scott's, guys. That right there is premium quality. This is the way that every single Jordan 1 low should be coming out. With this right here. I'm going to give you a little clip, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm going to give you a little clip. Give me the SpongeBob thing. And I'm back. Mira pa esto. This is horrible. Tremendo desastre. Look at this. I'm going to show it to you right there. But anyways, I'll try to get the best image I can and put it on the screen. That right there, guys, is donkey ass. That's all I'm going to say. That is complete donkey shit. This is horrible. This shoe I probably wore in that, I don't know, probably 10 times. These are one of my favorite low top sneakers of all time. I love the black toes. It's one of my favorite shoes, period. But I'm talking about this right here, that is all fading and cracking. That's what's going to happen to you guys unless you walk like a duck constantly and don't even touch it. You cannot put jeans on it because it's going to scrape it right off. This is horrible quality. These are the things that upset me about Nike sometimes. When I say Jordan brand, it's the same exact thing. I'm talking about Nike. These things right here, this half-ass work, this is horrible. This should not be allowed. But now this, where's this going to go? You guys know that if you take care of a Jordan 1, and if it has that sewing even more, but if you take care of a Jordan 1, guys, this is a shoe for a lifetime. Look at the 85 ones, man. I'm telling you, those things have lasted forever and you can still rock them. Literally, The whole leather is sewn on to the midsole. If you need gluing, it's very minimal. You don't even need the gluing sometimes. It's just perfection when it comes to this. That is the reason why this right here bothers me so much. Why do you do this garbage? Once again, guys, it's things that I cannot understand. And the funny thing is that this shoe has immense, the quality, the leather quality on this shoe is better than this one. And this is very nice, and this is better. But they go and they mess it up with this donkey shit. Man, whatever, bro. Look, I'm even messing up on my words already. That gets me frustrated. Let's get back into the sole or the back. So like I was saying, guys, besides my frustration, yes, very perfectly sewn, beautiful. And the red leather is actually tumbled also. Going into the midsole, it has a creamish hue, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say creamish, even though cream, get the money. But it does have that creamish hue all the way around. That it's not like a vintage look. It just has like a creamy look to it. Going to the sole of the shoe, of course, the best trend pattern in sneaker history. You already know how this works. In all navy blue with the Nike logo right in the middle. And like I've always said, guys, about Jordan 1s, there's only but so much that you could talk about it. But what is that I'm going to talk about this shoe? It's just a simple fact of the quality. This sneaker, guys, came with 2 extra laces. Came with blue laces, red laces, and these white ones, I just put them on because I wanted to have more of a clean look, you know. But back to the point, this is a PE for Howard University. Great colorway, beautiful all the way through. And besides the colorway and the quality of it, like I said, guys, it's an actual PE. It is a beautiful sneaker all the way through, and it's very clean. This, to me, guys, was one of those hidden gems that I am very lucky to get my hands on. One day, people are going to say, bro, I should have bought that shoe, bro. It's going to happen. Same way that I'm going to bring you a review about a shoe that bricked so hard it was ridiculous, and it's a hidden treasure. I'm bringing these things to you guys so you can take advantage of it now before they go nuts on these. Because it always happened. Notice the history, guys. History repeats itself. These things one day is going to go up the wazoo. Take advantage of these, guys. Think outside the box. Stay away from the hype constantly. And get beautiful pieces, because this is a piece of art. And just to conclude it all, sizing 9.5. Stick to true to size, guys. Comfortability, that's the answer for it. And like I said, guys, I am going to be bringing a lot more of these gems. Keep an eye open on them and get your hands on these bad boys, of course, if you like them. Any request, let me know. I'll bring you the review. This ain't a channel for hype. This is a channel to instruct and find those gems, the true gems that you guys need in your life. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. It's Superman machacando. Peace. Eco Eddie. Machucando.